Hi everyone, so today I will be trying out Spellbinders' new wax seal of the month for November. I only recently got this in, and then of course I had gone on vacation, so I'm going to try this out for you guys today. Today is the last day to sign up if you are interested in this wax seal or any of the club kits for November. The 27th is the last day to sign up if you are a new club member, or if you just want to add it on if you already, have other clubs coming out from the beginning of the month when you were already a member. Today is the last day, so today I will be trying these guys out. These were sent initially free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own, and any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you're purchased items to those links. So I think what I'm going to do today is just make a few wax seals. You probably know by now that the Quick and Easy card kit of the month will be discontinued beginning in December, meaning this kit, the November kit, is the last kit that you can receive that they're going to be making, right? So that being said, I will say that there are some older club kits in their Cyber Monday and like Cyber Week kind of sales, so I'll include a link to the sales. You can check those out. Super discounted. If you're a current member, you generally still get your 10% off even off of those prices. So there's that. I did make a quick video the other day talking about the discontinuation of the Quick and Easy card kit. There was more info in an email that went out to current club members, talking about how the perfect package coming up in December will have a lower price point at $85. It will not have the Quick and Easy card kit, of course. That's not anything that they're going to be creating any longer. And then they started a new stencil kit, right? But the stencil will not be in the perfect package, you guys. So it's just a lower price. It doesn't have this, but it has everything else that it always had. Then they're going to be having another package that's newer. I believe it has something to do with like kit and caboodle, but like the whole thing, right? Like everything, including the wax seal, the better press, the new stencil kit, and all the other club kits that they offer will be in that package. And I believe the price point on that one's $120. Of course, all of them have free shipping. So you have that. And there's some other info ready to come out for the first, so just keep an eye out. And I have already created my video for the first for the clubs for December 1st, so you'll see it at midnight on December 1st, going into the first, and hopefully that'll answer a lot of your questions, and you'll see all the new club kits. I will have the caboodle to show you, along with the December gift and all these kinds of things. So check that out when it's available. But today, since this is the last time we have this kit, I thought, what I'll do is I'll just cut a bunch of, or a few, I don't know, tags from like these pretty papers that we have here. And then, the ones that coordinate more with the wax seal. So the wax seal has this cute little for you, which I think is adorable, really cute for a tag, I think. I did get this pastel lilac wax beads that came with it. It does say colors may vary, so when you are a member, you will receive both of these things. You might have a different color of wax seals, but generally it's supposed to be the pastel lilac. And so what I'm going to do is just grab my basic materials. I'm just going to cut these out with like a die that I have or something that makes tag shapes, and we'll play with these guys with some of the ephemera and make some cute tags. So I'll be right back. Okay, so to start out, let's just get our wax seals going. And I always have my initial kit here, the Spellbinders kit. Now, I'm pulling this out for this purpose, but these are on a special sale in the like Cyber Week kind of sales. A whole kit that has this guy and like some extra heads and some extra, wax beads and all these fun things. So I will have that link there for you. Why do I have some of these things stored with it? I don't know. They're just there. So we have our little silicone mat. Of course, you can just do these on anything else. I'm going to put them on the silicone mat because then I'm going to transfer them from here to our tags. A lot of times I just like the organic nature of just putting them on the tag or whatever I'm pouring them on right away, but today we'll do a little bit differently, and maybe I'll even use some of this Sharpie marker to make the words pop. So let's grab that. I think initially I told you guys these little tea lights I have are from the Dollar Tree, but actually I think they're from like just some cheap tea lights I had because they do not last very long. So definitely the ones at the Dollar Tree, the scented ones or even the regular ones, are deeper than this, and they're going to last a little longer. This flame goes out pretty quickly. But I'm going to put that on there. There's still some gold wax on there from the last time I used this, and I'm okay with that. So I'm just going to open this up. And let's try out maybe 4 of these guys. A lot of times I go 4 or 5, just depends on how I'm feeling, I guess. So I'll put 4 today. See what that looks like. Maybe I'll do 5 on the next one, okay? So I'm going to let that melt down. We're going to get this guy opened up. It does have a little sticky something here on the side. I did bring out a whole pack of tea lights just in case this one goes out on me, because they do not last super long. It's not very deep. So have that guy. And yeah, we'll get that going. If you have any other questions about the clubs right now, just leave them in the description box. I'll try to answer them if I know the answer for them. If I don't, I'll try to find it out. See, it already went out. Oh, I'm telling you, these guys are not great. Let me get another one. That 1/4 inch of thickness does nothing for us. Right, there we go. Let me get this guy. Ah, let's go, buddy. Fortunately, I do have some from Dollar Tree, some scented ones that'll work really well. Okay, so we'll let that keep going. It's already melting, and I'll be right back. A little bit closer and see how this is doing. Looks pretty melty. Okay, so what I'll do is just take this guy, just kind of pour it into a little circle here, and it does have that little gold in there, which is lovely. And I kind of pour it in a circle shape. You don't have to do that. Just to the side here. And then we'll just take this guy, and since it doesn't matter what direction this is in, I'll just kind of pop it in here. And it looks like 4 is good. It makes a nice big seal. So I'll do another 4 and let those melt. This only takes seconds, especially right now that it's really cold here. And when I mean really cold, I'm talking about, you know, 68 degrees. And I'm like so cold. All right, let's see here. I'm like, do I need to put the heater on? But then I'm like, when it's in the 60s, what number do you put the heater on? I mean, 70 something, and then I'll feel like it's way too hot, right? Anyway, I'm gonna let that sit for a couple more seconds. I'll be right back. Like I said, these only take seconds, really. I mean, we're done. I can leave this on here, pick it up. Look how pretty. Now again, whenever generally I just go for it, so I would pour this on top of whatever ephemera I was gonna do, and then, you know, stamp on that, and you know, it'll have like wonky edges because of the ephemera being there and stuff. So if you want it to look a little more perfect, then you can definitely do this. Spellbinders also has some little stickers. Do I have them here with me right now? That oh, for some reason I don't. They're perfect circles. You just put them on the back, and then it's double-sided, and it helps you stick them down. So that's something you can pick up if you prefer. And again, I'm just gonna do 2 more of these, so I'll have 3 little guys ready to go. And just kind of there, put those guys on there, and pop this on here. Generally I'll pop this on here pretty quickly. All right, and I'll make 1 more. I was done with that one. If you want to wipe it out, you can definitely wipe that out if you don't think you're going to be needing lavender for the next time. So I usually just wipe it out while it's still nice and warm. Of course, next time if you want to heat it up, you can heat it up and melt that out and wipe away just like I'm doing now. But that's generally how I take care of that. I'll wait for that one to set up, and I'll be right back. So in the meantime, I just cut out a couple tags. We have those to play with. These guys are set up. I'm sure this one's very ready to go. Cute. Oh, there we go. And that one's still pretty warm, but this one has a lot of gold on there already, which is very cute. You probably just leave it like that, but I'm just gonna take a Sharpie. I like these metallic ones. If you hold it sideways, not up and down, because then you're gonna poke in where you don't want to, but if you just hold it sideways and just roll over like the areas that are higher, you're gonna have pretty good luck to just cover those little bits. So just around here, try not to dip into the recesses. And, whoa, I don't know what that noise was. And a little something here. And there. You know me, I'm not looking for perfection, but just a little something. So I'll probably do the same thing for the other 2 just to make it pop. I'll be right back. So I have all 3 of these little guys just kind of colored in so that pops. And what I'm going to do is just take these guys and go into the ephemera and just see what I would like to pop in behind, you know, our little wax seals. Let me grab this over here. The papers are so pretty in this month's kit. And here are those little stickers I was telling you about that they have. So wax seal stamp adhesive circles. They're 1-inch circles. And I mean, for the most part, you can pretty much, they're like right on, right? Because the seal heads are about 1 inch, and then it kind of squeezes out anyway, so that's a perfect sizing that they have there for you. And so I'm just gonna go through these guys, and I mean, even something big like that, right? You can have that for you, maybe a couple other things tucked in here and there. So we'll see. So I'm just gonna play with those, and I'll have some music and some choices made, and I will be right back. Talk about this really quickly. This guy, I stuck it on the wax seal first earlier, and I was like, oh, that's silly. Basically, you're gonna want to stick it down, you know, on your project first, because that way it sticks to the paper really well. So once you peel it off, the stickiness is there and it'll hold your wax seal, but if you peel it off the wax seal, then obviously it's just gonna come off, you know. So I'll have that there. And then I think I'm gonna add this little guy too. So I'm gonna pop him up on some dimensionals and just stick him down right here, okay? And I'll be right back. So I just put some dimensional on that, and there he is. A little dimensional behind some of these things just to give him a little more movement. Of course, I'll put some twine on there, but some just cute little gift tags that are made super easy with that little for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, any questions you might have, please leave them. Otherwise, I will see you guys on the 1st. I'll have the different links for the sales, the end of the Cyber Week. Well, actually, this is Cyber Week, isn't it? So maybe the sale's going a little bit longer, but I'll have the info there for you guys and the links for the clubs that are current. And then on the 1st, there will be new club links. So I'll see you guys then. Have a great one. Bye now.